Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today we are going to tell you about the Huawei Honor device bootloader free codes. And firstly we need to talk about the before is that I already put this video on my YouTube channel. And I already tell you that my new video is coming soon, which is informed by the story of Instagram. My ID is @mr.clutch.1. Firstly we need to talk about that. I already put this type of video on my YouTube channel, but this doesn't work, I know that. So I already give you some username and password which is not working now at this time because it is working out of use. This is the video. So after that I have brought a new method which is based on a hacking. So in this method we are talking about the DC unlocker which is hacked, and you don't need to do anything now. I mean that you have no login issue and internet needed connections. So you know about that, what can I talking about. So you also have a unlimited credit which is in my app already, such as a bot like. But I need to tell about that DC Unlocker give you a 4 credits for 2 euros something, sorry, and in Indian rupees 365 rupees for 4 credits in India. That you can see that the 4 credits are for 4 euros. So you also know about that XDA already uploading a free methods, 2-3 methods. I show you 1 minute. So this is that XDA has uploaded a new thread which has said to join the Telegram @Huawei hacks, and please follow the instruction which is given by an XD developer. So you need to share the information of your device, which is FB lock and device model, device product version, device serial number, and last 4 number of IMI number 1. If you have a two sims, so you need to share this IMI number of your first IMI, last 4 numbers, so it's not important for that. But now at this time this service is not disabled at this time. After the lockdown it's showing me that. So there were only so information in this video, so please like on my video and subscribe on my channel, and please share this video also. Subscribe is compulsory for that, okay? So subscribe to कर देना.